Mnangagwa is history. The era of Mnangagwa is over. Those who insist otherwise are living in denial, clinging to a past that no longer serves the revolution or a country. Zarabina mashikobudanyu kopangwa ire na Lieutenant General Winston Mabranga. Lord boy subscribe or like on the bell icon. General Mbere anobudanyura chiti. Much like earlier moments in our history, public theater and blaster can mask a deeper reality. Influence shifts, loyalties realign, and the new leaders emerge to carry the torch forward. General Kosano Chiwenga stands ready. His service, strategic judgment, and relationships across the security sector and the party make him the natural choice to ensure continuity, stability, and decisive leadership. This is not a call for division, but for sober recognition of where true authority now lies and where the party's strength will be preserved. We must act with the discipline, unity, and patriotism. Clinging to individuals' past, their time weakens our movement and endangers the progress we have fought to protect. The prudent course for every comrade is to support the leadership that can best safeguard ZANUPF's legacy and guide Zimbabwe through the challenges ahead. The revolution must continue, and it will do so under the leadership that commands confidence and delivers stability. It is time for General Chiwenga, retired Lieutenant General Mabranga, Doma developments and Udapangwa in a took on the Iowa retired general, Barga supporter general, and posting picture and Murkona, VP Konsano Chunga Chita Iowa. VP Konsano Chunga is the best fit. No doubt his safeguards legacy. Iowa and guide Zimbabwe through my challenges and whatever in the future. In a comment section, medals of Guru Age more believe I'm celebrated for each. Iowa, in a comment section, medals of Guru Age, don't subscribe or like. On the bell icon.